As a subscription services member, you now have full access to live technical support from your local SOLIDWORKS value-added reseller. Your local partner has an extensive team of technical talent, certified in all things SOLIDWORKS, who are ready to assist you whether it's via web or phone. As a user, technical support gets you fast explanations of capabilities, answers about features or settings, best practices around installations or upgrades, and anything else you're scratching your head over. Spend less time searching for answers and more time designing.